Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how to insert image in Photoshop. So make sure you follow every step in the video. So first you need to go to the file and then click on open. And then in here you can just select your picture. So I will be selecting this one and then click on open. So and then when you say open, it's going to create a new tab. But let's say that we want to insert this image into here. So what we need to do is you need to go back to your second tab and then in here just click on select and then click on all. So right now it's selected. So what you need to do is you need to click on Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy it and then go back to your first image and then click on Ctrl V to paste it. So as you can see, they just inserted the image. So this is how you can insert an image in Photoshop. See you guys in the next tutorial.